Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss the problems based on mole concept. That is, first problem, one atom of mercury has a mass of 333 into 10 power minus 4 10 power minus 24 grams. Then what is its atomic weight? This is the question asked. Options are 200 AMU, 200 grams. Next one, 180 AMU, 180, 333 into 10 power minus 24 grams. These are the options given. Okay, option A, option C, option B, and option D. Now, how can we solve the problem? Now, first of all, what is given? One atom of mercury has a mass. So, we have mass of one atom. Mass of one atom is how much? 333 into 10 power minus 24 grams. We have to estimate atomic weight. You know, atomic weight is the mass of Avogadro number of atoms. So, mass of Avogadro number of atoms is equal to Avogadro number of atoms. It is taken as gram atomic weight. Let us say some x. So on cross multiplication, you do cross multiplication. X into one atom is equal to 6.023 into 10 power 23 atoms into 333 into 10 power minus 24 grams. So x is equal to, now I am rounding off, 6 into 333 into 10 power 23 and 10 power minus 24. Now 6 into, this is written as 1000 by 3. Now here we have 10 power minus 1. On further simplification we get 6 into 100 by 3. 1000 into or 1000 into 1 by 10. So cancellation, 3 1 times or 2 times. Thus 200 grams I am getting. 200 grams is the gram atomic weight. So gram atomic weight we calculate. But we need what? Atomic weight. You know, atomic weight is expressed in AMU. So what is the right answer? 200 AMU is the right option. 200 AMU is the right option. I repeat the problem once again. Mass of one atom is given. Gram atomic weight we are estimating. That means this is the mass of Avogadro number of atoms. On cross multiplication we get x. X is nothing but gram atomic weight I am getting. So I am getting gram atomic weight. If gram is replaced by AMU, then it is called atomic weight. Now we are going to discuss the next problem. The next problem is the mass of 1.5 into 10 power 26 molecules of a substance is 16 kilogram. The molecular mass of substance is what? Molecular mass of substance is what? The options are, given options are 64 gram, 64 AMU, 320 AMU, 32 grams. So these are the options given. The options given are these. Now how can we solve the problem? Same model. We are given mass of some particular molecules. So we are given mass of 1.5 into 10 power 26 molecules. How much? 16 kg. I mean 16 into 1000 grams. This is given. Now to find molecular weight, we take mass of Avogadro number of atoms. Mass of 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules. This is taken as gram molecular weight. Let us say some x. Now you do cross multiplication. On cross multiplication we get x into 1.5 into 10 power 26 is equal to 16 into 1000 into 6.023 into 10 power 23. Okay, now x is equal to 16 into 10 power 3 into, now I am rounding off 6 into 10 power 23 by 1.5 into 10 power 26. For 10 power 26, 10 power 3, 10 power 23, 10 power 26 and 10 power 26 getting cancelled. So finally I got x is equal to gram molecular weight is equal to how much? 16 into 6 by 1.5. You know 1.5 1 times r 4 times r. So 64 grams I am getting. But this is gram molecular weight. So what is molecular weight? Molecular weight is 64 AMU. I told you. Molecular weight is also expressed in AMU. So what is the right answer? 64 AMU is the right answer. Thus we solve the problem. I repeat once again. This time I gave the mass of 1.5 into 10 power 26 molecules. I have to estimate mass of Avogadro number of molecules. This is taken as gram molecular weight. On cross multiplication and simplification I am getting some 64 grams. This is nothing but gram molecular weight. If gram is replaced by AMU, then it is taken as molecular weight. The next problem. Third problem. Now the problem is a peroxide enzyme contains 2% of selenium element with atomic weight given 80, right? The minimum molecular weight, calculate the minimum molecular weight of enzyme. Minimum molecular weight of enzyme. This is the question asked. The question asked is a peroxide enzyme contains 2% selenium whose atomic weight is 8. Calculate the minimum molecular weight of enzyme. Options given are, the options are 1000, 2000, 4000, 8000. These are the options. The options given are these. These are the options given. Now you read the problem. Peroxide enzyme contains 2% selenium. Now you use the data. Enzyme contains 2% selenium. That means what? 2% enzyme of 2% selenium. This means what? 100 grams enzyme has 2 grams of selenium. 100 grams of enzyme has 2 grams of selenium. Okay. Now let us suppose the molecular weight as x, gram molecular weight as x, gram molecular weight or gram molecular weight of substance contain how much minimum, or one molecule of the substance contain, let us say minimum 1 atom of selenium, minimum 1 atom, minimum 1 atom. That means 1 atom of selenium, one selenium atom is 80. So the molecular weight should contain 80 grams of selenium. I repeat once again. 100 grams of enzyme contain 2 grams of selenium. You are asked to find out the molecular weight if it contain minimum 1 atom. So I am estimating the molecular weight if it contain 1 atom of selenium. 1 atom of selenium is taken as 80 grams of selenium. Now on cross multiplication, what we get? X into 2 is equal to 80 into 100. So X is equal to 80 into 100 by 2. So on simplification, 80 by 2 means 440 into 100 or nearly 4000. 4000 is the minimum molecular weight. Minimum molecular weight is estimated by taking at least 1 atom. So I repeat once again. Every 100 grams of enzyme has 2 grams of selenium. We have to find out molecular weight of the enzyme if it contain minimum means minimum 1 atom of selenium. 1 atom of selenium is 80 grams. On cross multiplication we get X. The next problem is hemoglobin contains 0.33% of iron. Given iron atomic weight is 56. The molecular weight of hemoglobin is 68,000. Now find the number of iron atoms in 1 molecule of hemoglobin. This is the question asked. The options are 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the options given. Okay. Now first you read the problem. Hemoglobin contains 0.33% of iron. The molecular weight of hemoglobin is 68,000. Now find the number of iron atoms present in 1 molecule of hemoglobin. Again you start with percentage given. What do you mean by 0.33%? Hemoglobin of 0.33% iron. This means what? 100 grams of hemoglobin. 100 grams of hemoglobin has 0.33 grams of iron. Now let us say molecular weight is what? 68,000. 68,000 grams of substance contain. Let us suppose that molecule contain some X iron atoms. X into each iron atom is 56 grams. You know what is the weight of iron? Each iron weighs 56. Let us suppose there are X atoms. I am repeating once again. Given is every 100 grams of hemoglobin has 0.33 grams of iron. Now, in 68,000 grams, let us say there are X iron atoms. So, weight of iron is X into 56. Now, you do the cross multiplication. So, X into 56 into 100 is equal to 0.33 into 68,000. Now, the X is equal to, or we write X into 56, 100 1 times are here, we are getting 2 zeros are cancelled. So X into 56 equal to, this can be written as 1 by 3 into 680. On further simplification, X is equal to 680 by 3 into 56. 3 into 56. On simplification we get, now you simplify this one. On simplification we get the weight of number of atoms. Now here 4 170s are, 4 14s are. So nearly 170 by 42, which is nearly equal to 4 times. So how many atoms are there on average? That is 4 atoms. One molecule of hemoglobin has 4. Now you take 42, 4s are nothing but 168. 168 is close to 170, so I am taking 3.99 means nearly 4 atoms. So 4 atoms are found in one molecule of hemoglobin.